Hey guys, I want to show you some trays by GGS. We just got put together at a cannabis facility in Washington State. These have the drip trays in them. These trays are 21 feet long by 5'3", and it enables you to get maximum density for your space. As you can see here, the trays move, the benches move apart, so you can walk between them, and gives you maximum density while maintaining workability. You can look over here. I can push the whole room with a single finger. And there you have it. So these can be used as flood drain tables, and they could be used for hand watering. All of your water drips down here into this collection area. We generally put a drain tube on here that comes down into a bucket. And it allows you to have a lighting grid like that all your lighting is equally spaced, so you can maximize your growing any place in the room. So, GGS.